Matthew, Managing Director. I've been here 12 years now, progressing from the sales team through to Sales Director, and then more recently Managing Director. In the 12 years I've been here, I've seen a lot of changes both at the company and industry, but pleasingly we've been on a successful growth plan, and to the point where we are today, where we're continuing that growth and going in the right direction with new machine investments. At Cutting and Wear, we specialise in the manufacture of downhole tools used predominantly in the oil and gas industry. In particular, we specialise in tools that have a hard-facing aspect to them. So our unique selling point is the combination of hard-facing and machining and bringing a complete tool together for customers. In terms of the problems we've faced, complexity of tools, lead time restraints, the efficiencies we've gained on these machines have just been phenomenal. So lead times drastically reduced, machining times drastically reduced, as well as time to program a lot of the tools that we're having to make. There's a far less time required on these machines than more traditional methods. Yeah, I mean we've had quite a lot go through the machines since we put them in. In particular, we had one tool that used to take us 11 hours of milling, and then putting it on the machine, see behind me, it stripped it right down to 2 hours. So a massive improvement for us. At the time when we were looking, we had another supplier, and if I'm being honest, they weren't really matching what we required. Dugard came in, worked with us really closely, understood what tools we wanted to produce, and from then on just matched us with appropriate machines. So it's just a well-suited relationship, and here we are with the machines doing as Dugard said they would. It's massively changed it. We were, as I mentioned, we were on this growth path, and with that wanting to go into an era of more modern machining techniques. The machines have really helped do that, so not only change our methods of manufacture, but the mindset of the machinists as well. They've seen the new technology, they've jumped on board with it, and so we've completely flipped their mindset and our overall approach to manufacture of downhole tools now.
Yeah, I'm Mark Taylor. I'm a CNC programmer. I actually run the machines as well, and keeping things running smoothly. When you actually see it, you see it working, and you can see that it's that accurate. It's just so much faster. You bring the probe in, you can actually program it into the cycle and not just manually program it. It just makes it a lot quicker. With it built into the program, it just does it all for you. So the time saving that we can use with the lights, such as the probing, we can do everything on the machine with it built into the program, so there's no need to take it off the machine to get it into the inspection, and that's a time saver in itself there. This has changed the mindset because the guys have actually seen it working, seen that it does actually save time, and then it gets everybody else on board as well. It is a learning curve. It was a learning curve because it's got your simultaneous head. We've got machines very much similar to it, but it's a lot quicker. The graphics help tremendously on these machines. A lot of program, I'd say 90% is done through offline programming, and then we have to prove it out on here. But with the graphics function on here, it just makes it so much easier and causes less errors. So it's just advantage all round.